68 degrees at this moment as you walk outside. We're dealing with mostly cloudy skies, humidity up to 93%, so the ick factor is back, and that's all associated with some showers and cloudiness we have experienced throughout the overnight into the morning, and now beginning to gradually taper off into the afternoon. Temperatures kept down by, at least in some areas, by a good 10 degrees from what we noticed just yesterday. 69 degrees in Houghton, 74 in Ontonagon, 72 in Crystal Falls and Florence, and even down into Menominee, 72 in Ironwood. Pushing towards the east, temperatures continue to see a bit more of that cool down. 65 in Munising and Manistee, 69 in Escanaba, 66 degrees in St. Ignace. Winds mostly out of the southwest ahead of the cold front at 11 miles per hour in Munising, 6 in Escanaba, but changes already noticeable towards the western tip. With the front passing through in Ironwood, winds already shifting out of the northwest at 9 miles per hour, and where the front is passing as we speak in Houghton, a westerly direction with a stronger breeze at 15 miles per hour. So as this cold front slides its way towards the east, clouds are going to begin to diminish as we go into the late early evening hours. By tomorrow, it's going to be a thing of the past as sunshine breaks out, and it's going to last all the way through Saturday as we have a great bubble of no trouble to dominate the entire Great Lakes. So if you're planning to be outside, perfect time to do so, especially as temperatures are going to be seasonable for late July standards. Now, by the time we get towards the second half of the weekend, we could see just a small unraveling as we introduce a little bit of moisture, a little bit of cloudiness, and that could just bring us just a small chance of a shower for Sunday and Monday. Overall, though, not a damper by any means, just maybe a small shower somewhere on those 2 days. But for today, it's been all about the rain through the entire Great Lakes. Even thunderstorms already developing along Lake Michigan, pushing their way towards the east and eventually towards the south, all associated with the cold front. Thick cloud base all the way into parts of Kansas and Nebraska. Good news is that with the fact that we saw most of these storms stroll through into parts of the overnight and into early this morning, mostly with showers, maybe occasional rumble of thunder at best. So as this front continues to slide towards the south, much needed relief is going to make its way into parts of the Ohio Valley and Middle Mississippi Valley where they do need a break from summer. It's been very brutal for parts of Missouri, Kansas, Tennessee, even parts of Indiana and Illinois where there's been heat advisories, excessive heat warnings, heat indexes up to 110 degrees, dew points up to 80 degrees. Just very oppressive weather for them. And good news is this cold front is a strong one that's going to really lower that humidity as we enter the weekend. High pressure in control through parts of the Dakotas. So as we're going to be on the easterly side of that, we're going to continue to see low humidity. So it's going to be excellent outside for tomorrow. Great weather all around. Make sure to have those sunglasses and that sunscreen all the way through the weekend. For tonight, 53 degrees. Becoming mostly clear later on tonight. Winds out of the northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And like I mentioned just a moment ago, with that northerly wind, humidity is going to be great. So that 81 degrees is just going to feel just right in Iron Mountain and Florence. A little bit cooler towards the north, 74 in Houghton, 72 in Munising. And then pushing towards that extended outlook, warming up towards the weekend in both the highs and the lows, near 80 degrees by Sunday. For the afternoon, 60 degrees by the morning with a 10% chance of rain.